How to personalize MailChimp emails with their first name. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can personalize MailChimp emails with their first name. Yes, you can always do this on MailChimp. Now, how can you do this? The first thing to do is to have a merge tag with the title first name. Yes, that's how to do it. The first thing, have a merge tag with the title first name. So once you've gotten or once you've done or you've merged a tag with the title first name, you log into your MailChimp account and then navigate through to campaigns. You click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the campaigns page. Now on this page, you can just decide to edit an email or create another email depending on what you want to do. If it's an email, if you just want to edit an email that you've sent before for it to be personalized, you can just click on edit email and scroll down to content. Then once you click on design email, you'll be brought to this page. Now on this page, you would see that you cannot send this, of course, so you have to edit this. Okay, so let's start from here. So you can just click on this, edit it, and then you type in there. And then once you do that, in the toolbar by the right side, you'll see three dots. It is the last option or the last tool in this toolbar. Go ahead and click on it. Then you'll see merge tags, right? Yes, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see subscribe link. Subscribe link. Click on it. Now, in this subscribe link, click in the box and then edit it by typing first name. Yes. Once you type in first name, just go ahead and then continue. Just go ahead and then you continue with your email. Once they are done with typing the email, save it and then send it. Once you send it, all of your recipients will get the email as a personalized email displaying their first name. Okay, so they will all get the emails with their first name, such as Dear Deborah, Dear Richard, Dear Frank, and so on and so forth. So this is how to personalize MailChimp emails with the first name. Thanks for watching.